Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to snooze your listings in the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after that you succeed to log into your account, all you need to do now is to switch to hosting, and then you will go to the menu, and here we are going to click on the listing, and basically now we will need to update the listing. So basically here we can see the status of our listing is listed, and now we need just to click on the status and it will take us to the listing details, listing basics section, and here we will find this data. And basically all you need to do now is to click on snooze, and you will click on save, and you will have your then you click on save and you will have your listing that will be snoozed successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.